Hi there. So I'm going to show you this document because it is amazing. It's provided by the Brisbane City Council. It is called the Traditional Housing Alterations and Extensions Design Guide. And it focuses on four key outcomes: respecting the local context, preserving the original building, being a good neighbour, and future proofing your home if you are going to be doing any alterations or extensions. So, this is a design guide by the Brisbane City Council for homes, especially those that are traditional homes that will be subject to council rules and regulations about what you can do to them. Like, can you just build out the back and make the rest of the home modern and brand new whilst retaining the front facade? What limitations are there around doing that sort of thing to a home that you're interested in buying? It's good to know this information before you buy the home, because then you'll be aware of any costs associated with having to extend or renovate in a way that is sympathetic to the home's heritage. So, therefore, this document here is really helpful because it helps you to understand what type of home you're looking at, whether you own it or whether you're looking at buying it. And so you can see here on this page, they've got it outlined: colonial period, that's 1870s to 1890s. And, you can just have a look at the descriptors, the type of, and the details, the type of roof, that sort of thing. Same with the Federation period, the homes that were built during that period, 1890s to the 1910s. Next, there's the interwar period, which is roughly 1920s to 1940s. And this style of home has changed slightly. And you see Californian bungalows more commonly in that area. And then what I love about this is this document then shows you the elements to that particular style of home, that if you're in a home, you can look for these elements and then be able to age the home yourself and decide for yourself if the home is pre-1911 or pre-1947 because of those rules that apply. And there is that other video about those rules. So this is simply a document provided by council showing you how the buildings can be restored, the rules on restoring them, and how to accommodate your family into the home and future-proof it whilst being sympathetic to not only the home that you're living in, but the surrounding area and how the home that you're living in integrates with the surrounding area. So it's super good document, lots of diagrams. I'm a visual person, so I love to see those sorts of things, and lots of information for you to read to prepare you in case you believe you need to go and talk to a town planner about the home, and they will have an opinion on what you can and can't do, and they'll be able to translate the council rules and regulations and how they fit to your home. So, great document to have. I have put the document into the course downloads, and you've also got a link to it in the Module 2 workbook. Have fun with this document here. Thank you.